Welcome back to the channel. This video is from Four Corners RV Resort in Nashville, Tennessee. We stayed at site number 81, right on the lake. Located on Percy Priest Lake, just 30 minutes southeast of downtown Nashville. The park is new with nice level concrete sites. They have a swimming pool, hot tub, a nice beach area, and a dog wash station. Four Corners Marina is located right next door and has boat rentals available as well as a bar and grill. This was a great place with easy access to try out our new paddleboards. The sites had full hookups, a nice fire pit area, and a picnic table, standard.